What's going on, guys? Welcome to Art Tips. In today's video I'm going to be sharing with you a cartoon process. So if you'd like to learn how to go from a sketch to a finished piece, then stick around and I'll show you how. So the first step is the sketch. You start off with a rough idea and then just keep refining it. The cleaner it is, the easier it's going to be for the next stage. Once you're happy with your sketch, you've flipped it a couple times, make sure there's no problems, you can then reduce the opacity of the sketch and then start inking over it. Confidence, practice and zooming in can help you get those clean lines. Once your inks are done, you want to start putting in some flat colors. Try and keep them all in separate layers and this will give you a lot more control as you can adjust them individually. Don't forget to add color variation for some interest in the colors. Once your colors are done, you can put in a block flat shadow. I like to use purple and then just reduce the opacity as needed. You can try out different layer modes like multiply or hard light, soft light, and find what works best for you. The colors are in, now it's time for some highlights. I put in a block highlight just like the shadows and then reduce the opacity and put it on a soft light layer. So there it is, how to go from a rough sketch to a finished piece. Hope you like this, guys. Remember to follow me at SoulTunes on social media for weekly art videos. Thanks for watching.